Is writing a user story really this difficult? Are you feeling that this is not for you? If so, then please watch my video till the end.
Okay, so today we will talk about two of the requirements made by the client. For example, number one, the client wants to register in an internet banking app, and number two, the client would like to log in to the internet banking app based on the registration they did earlier. So at first, we are going to talk about writing the user story for the registration feature or the registration requirement. Okay, so we will write based on the format, which is I have to at first think of me as the role of a user. So here the basic role will be a customer who is registered in an internet banking system will be onboarded in an internet banking app according to the client's expectations. So at first the client wants that the customer should be able to complete the registration or the sign up process. So at first we will write that as a customer, I would like to register in the internet banking app so that I can use the internet banking features. There are many types of internet banking features. For example, transfer money, payment, card payment, bill payment. So this basically means that a customer who already has an internet banking account in the particular bank's system will be onboarded to the internet banking, and this registration will create a user profile which will help the customers to interact with the internet banking system. Okay, so we will need to provide some data of the customer to the system. So the data can be, for example, they have to complete an eKYC procedure in which they will be verified through their image. Then they will be asked information about their NID, national identification number, or any other source of identification according to their respective countries. Then they will be asked to verify if the information of their NID is showing properly. After that, they will be asked information about the nominee if they want to add any nominee details. And after that, they will be taken to the user creation page. So after they are taken to the user creation page, they will then enter the username and they will enter the password which they want to set for the new profile, and then they will confirm the new password. The password and the new password confirmed, both the values have to be matched properly for the submit button to be enabled. And after the submit button is hit, then the customer will see an acknowledgement message from the system that the internet banking registration is complete. So as a customer, I would like to log in so that I can use the internet banking features. So this is the user story basic format. So now if we think about the acceptance criteria, so what can be the acceptance criteria? Acceptance criteria would be that in case of login, when the customer is attempting to log in, two data is taken as an input. The number one is the username and number two is password. So the system or the application will check if the username and the password, which I mean the credentials, is matching a customer who has already registered in this internet banking application. So I have to make sure that the username and the password matches an already registered customer in this internet banking application. Only in that case, the system will allow a successful login.
So in today's video, we talked about writing two user stories for the internet banking features, registration, and login. In our next video, we will talk about writing test cases based on these two user stories. So please like, share, and subscribe and comment below. Never miss an update from Tech Trends with Nasir.